Welcome everyone, my name is Jessica, the Simple DIYer. If you're already a subscriber to my channel, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notification, that way you're notified every time I upload a video. Also make sure you hit the video like button and leave me a comment below. As always, you can check the description box for a list of the items I used, and let's get started. In today's video, we're going to be making this modern high-end decor. Before we get started in today's projects, I do just want to show you a few products that I received from Bonz, which I was very excited to receive these and excited to use them in today's video. Some of the items I'll be using in today's video and some I will use in upcoming videos. In today's video, I'm going to be using this specialty hot glue gun with detailed tip, which I'm very excited to be trying out. It does have where you can safely lay it on its side, or it does have a foldable stand as well. It also has an auto shut-off. Also, I'm going to be using this glue gun silicone pad, which I'm excited to be using. You'll probably see me use this in a lot of my videos. It is heat resistant and it will allow the hot glue not to stick to your surfaces. I'm also going to be using these clear mini glue sticks today. Now I'm going to show you a few products that you'll see me use in some upcoming videos. One of them is this high temp mini hot glue gun that is cordless, so you can actually charge this using a USB cable. It also features the auto shut off as well. Also, this full-size dual temp hot glue gun, which does have 50% more power, also features the auto shut off, and you can interchange the nozzle tips. And then we have these tough sticks that are ultra strong to provide a more tough hold. And this 5-foot glue stick roll, which I'm kind of excited to use this because I always have to change out my glue sticks. Also, these regular size hot glue sticks, which are clear and they are meant for the dual temp glue gun. Okay, then we also have these mini glue sticks, which are the color sticks, which I'm excited to try these out as well. Also, these black fabric glue sticks for gluing darker fabric, and these white fabric glue sticks for gluing lighter fabric together. These glow in the dark glow sticks, I can't wait to find a project to use for these. Also, the glitter glue sticks, those are for the mini glue gun, as well as these jewelry glue sticks, which is also for the mini glue gun. We do have the color glue sticks in the color silver and also the color glue sticks in the color gold, which you'll see me using these in an upcoming video as well. And now let's get started with today's projects. First project, it's going to be inspired by this metal house from Krylon, which is 2624. And I'm going to start off by taking 2 of the 32-inch bamboo skewers and cutting those down to approximately 24 inches. Next, I'm going to take a third bamboo skewer and mark out 6 pieces at 3.5 inches long and go ahead and cut those out down as well. Now I'm going to take one of the 3.5 inch pieces and I'm going to glue that to the longer bamboo skewer at 4 inches. Once I have the first one glued on, then I'm going to take the second skewer and I'm just going to apply that about a 1/2 inch above the first one that I glued down. At first I was using this clear pad to protect my surface when I was gluing these dowels down, but the glue kept sticking to that and I forgot that I had this silicone pad. So I'm actually going to start using it, and it is great. The glue does not stick at all to it, and you can remove it very easily to move your project around to glue it down. Once I have the first set of 3-inch dowels glued down, I'm just going to move on and repeat those steps 2 times. I'm going to glue the first dowel 4 inches from the last dowel I glued, and then the next one a 1/2 inch, and just repeat the process as you can see me doing here. I do have to say I really am enjoying this glue gun with the detailed tip, because it allows just the right amount of glue to come out for these smaller projects without having to take a lot of it off. So it does really work out good whenever you're using more of the smaller surfaces to glue. And this is what it should look like once you have the pieces glued down, almost like a mini ladder. Next, I'm going to take 2 pieces of the wooden dowel cut at 4 inches each, and I'm going to glue those to the top of the stand to build a triangle shape. Once I have that shape built, I'm just going to go ahead and hot glue those on as well. Now I'm going to take the apple barrel paint in the color black and just paint the entire piece. Next, I'm going to take these metal tin buckets, and I got these after Halloween, so I'm just going to paint the trick or treat in apple barrel paint black and remove the handles off. Now you can also use the white buckets from Dollar Tree and just paint them black, but I had gotten these for I think 10 cents on sale, so I just decided to use these for this project. Next, taking one of the buckets, I'm going to glue it to the bottom dowel, and then I'm going to repeat the step for the next 2 lines. Today's video question is, have you used the SureBonder glue guns? If not, do you plan on using them? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Next, I'm going to take 3 of these succulents, and I'm going to remove the styrofoam as well as the plant from the containers. Once I have all 3 removed, I'm going to place 1 in each of the metal buckets. And this is what the completed first project will look like. For the second project, I'm going to take 2 of these metal paper towel holders, and I'm going to flip one upside down. Using some of the black zip ties, I'm going to zip tie the top of each side, as you can see me doing here. Now on the opposite end, I'm going to use the hot glue and go ahead and glue those pieces together, as this is the piece you'll be able to see. And with this detailed tip, it works perfect to get in the small space here between the two metal pieces, and it hardly will be able to tell that there was any hot glue used because it goes right into the line. Now normally I would have spray painted this black, but I didn't have any, so I used this apple barrel paint in the color black. This is after one coat, but I did end up using 3 coats to coat that completely. Next, I'm going to take this smaller mirror and just remove the back off and use this as the base. And I'm just going to slide the paper towel holder in between the plastic. Now you can use the black part of the mirror as the base if you'd like, but I decided not to use that, and I just went ahead and removed that off. Next, I'm going to take the hot glue and just go ahead and glue the mirror frame down to the metal paper towel holder, as you can see that I'm going to be doing here. For the lampshade, I'm going to be using this plastic bowl. Now you can leave it clear if you would like, but I decided to use a coat of this frosted glass from Krylon. And I did have an old can, so it didn't spray out the best, and I didn't have another bowl to use for this project. But if you do have a fresh can, it would actually look really good. Taking this book light, I'm just going to cut the metal piece off, as you can see that I'm doing here. Now you can use the push lights that Dollar Tree has as well. I just didn't have any to use for this project. For this next step, I'm going to take the bowl and set the top of the lamp right down inside, and I'm going to apply hot glue to the book light. Now whenever you glue this down, just make sure that you face the switch on the outside. That way you can actually turn the lamp on and off. Once you have it glued in place, then you'll be able to slide it off and on with no problems. Once I had the light glued down in place, then I'm just going to take the hot glue and apply it around the paper towel holder to the bowl. That way it'll go ahead and give a permanent hold. And this is what your completed lamp will look like. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope everyone enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. As always, you can leave me a comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Till next time, hope everyone has a great day.